be teaching you how to cut men top throughout this week. How to fold your clothes before cutting. How do you fold your clothes before cutting? Please, everybody in the group, please note that if you want to cut your clothes, kindly fold the outside of the clothes inside to avoid stains of chalk or any other kind of stains. Secondly, how do we know the length of the folding? Check your chest measurement. Our chest measurement is 28. We are going to divide it into 4 places. That is how it is used to cut men clothes. Okay, 28 divided into 4 is 7. So carefully we'll measure our 7. These are 7. As you can see, there's still a lot of space, so I kindly fold my clothes backward so that I won't waste the material. Yes. Then I check it again. 7. This is my 7. Then kindly I add 1 inches for the cutting and shape allowance. I check the measurement again. Carefully, this is our 8, but this is the 7 that I want to use, but we are going to add 1 inches for the cutting and shape allowance. That is 8. Then carefully I use my iron. Then, as you can see, I've carefully folded the part of the cloth I will be cutting today. Then what's the next step? I will mark a little curve at the top of the cloth. This is the shape of the neck, a little bit. Later I'm going to cut the neck, but this is just an example. Then carefully I use my scissors to cut it out. Then after cutting it, I will use my ruler. Let me teach you something that most of you would use, and it is going to be useful. First of all, as a learner, please kindly use your tape to measure 2.5 here or 3, but I'm going to use 2.5 because this code is for a small child. Then I use my ruler to measure a down slope straight line. Carefully I use my scissors to cut it out. As you can see, I've gotten my straight line. Then the next step I'm going to do is to fold it. I'm going to fold this exact cloth with 1.5 inches because this cloth is for a small, let me just say a small boy. I'm going to fold it with 1.5 inches, but if it is an adult, You can use 2. You can use 2. Then I use my pressing iron to achieve the folded side carefully. Please don't mind my charcoal iron. There is no light, so use the other choice. As you can see, I have achieved the exact folding I want. Then I use our measurement. Our shoulder is 12 inches, which I'm going to divide by 2. So it will give us 6. Carefully, I place my tape on the shoulder and I measure my 6 inches, and I add half inches for sewing allowance. Next, I add my 4.5 for armhole, because the cloth is for a small boy. As you can see, it's even a small cloth. I'm going to teach you a standard measurement which you can use to cut your armhole and others. Then I measure my 4.5, as you can see. It's 4.5 here. Then the measurement of our chest is 28 into 4 places is 7. Carefully, I place my tape on this part. I measure my 7 exactly. Then I add half inches for sewing allowance. Then next, I place my tape almost near the neck and I put it downward. Our length, our top length is 21. Earlier I measured my 21 with the allowance of 2.5 for folding. Then I use my ruler to roll it. After the rolling, I still place my tape exactly near on the shoulder, near the neck, and mark 11 inches for the stomach. Then our stomach measurement is 27 into 4 places is 6.7 inches. 6.7 inches. Then I mark my 6.7 with the half allowance for sewing. Then I carefully place my tape on this part, measure it. I also teach you how to make this kind of measurement later. Use my ruler to roll it. Then carefully I use my chalk to trace or to join. I'll use my chalk to trace the armhole and give it As you can see, I've gotten my measurement and my shape carefully. Then I use my scissors to cut the shape and the tracing out. Please follow the line of the chalk. As you can see, have achieved the. Thanks for watching today's video.